In North Rhine-Westphalia, rain and hail caused flooded cellars and fallen trees. However, the German Weather Service has since lifted the severe weather warnings for the state. From Tuesday afternoon until late into the night, firefighters were called out to numerous operations. According to the local fire department, the entire city of Duisburg was affected here alone. Emergency services responded to almost 200 operations. The main focus of the operations was problems with water flooding in basements and underpasses. Some of the motorways in the region were impassable due to flooding. For example, the A59, A31, and A42. According to the fire department, no serious injuries were reported. However, one person was hit so hard by a hailstone that he suffered a laceration on his head. In Bonn, the police reported around 30 operations. There were flooded cellars, broken branches, trees on the road, said a spokesman. In the Rhein-Erft district, the emergency services responded to around 120 operations. In Haltern am See, in northern NRW, there were reportedly around 500 lightning strikes within an hour, according to WDR.